Good morning, student. It's good to be back once again. Alright, student, last class we have started with a new block, that is block 22, reading of maps. And then under that we have learned the topic globe and maps. So today we'll be starting with a new topic, that is components of map. Okay. So our aim for today is that you'll be able to explain the use of scale, direction, and symbol to read a map. So the resources required for our class is ruler, your S2, your worksheet 2, your exit content book, and your notebook. And the keywords for today is scale, direction, and symbols. So before we get into our further discussion, let's be clear with the meaning of the key term. Okay, so what is the meaning of scale? So a scale is the ratio between the distance of any 2 points in the map and the actual distance of the same on the land. Alright, suppose if you are measuring the distance between two cities, okay, for example Pune and Mumbai. So distance between Pune and Mumbai, suppose it is, alright, okay, take the example 1500 kilometers. Okay, but actually in a scale what we do is that they are represented in us with a smaller number. Suppose 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. Okay, so you have to measure. If it's 10 kilometer means you have to measure in terms of 1 centimeter, like that. It represents in a form of ratio. Similarly, direction. What is direction? It is a guidance or instruction. Okay, that is theoretical line followed from a point of origin or towards a destination. So those are known as direction. Okay, so direction may be in the form of north, east, west, south as well. So these are north, east, west, and south. And then it is this area is northeast, northwest, southwest, and then southeast. So all these are direction, which shows direction or guidance, right? And what are symbols? Symbol means an object, typically materials, which is meant to represent another even if there is no meaningful relationship. Okay, suppose in the map, if it is represented like a tree, it represent tree, represent forest. All right. Similarly, a rail, okay, this is a track. Okay, it represent a railway track. And then similarly, if it's like this, representing, it represent building. Okay, so all these are symbol which is represented on the map. Okay, indicating a particular place or indicating a particular object. So those are scale, direction, and symbol. Now I hope you are clear with the meaning of the term. So let me ask you a very simple question. Have you ever read a mystery story? Mystery means some unknown story. Okay. Are you are all the clues to solve the mystery given directly? Alright, suppose if you are reading a mystery stories, are all the clues to solve those mystery given directly? Take the example of while solving a puzzles. See, while solving a puzzles, not all the items are placed at one okay, in a systematic way, right? They are always placed in a random basis, which means after collecting all the information you have to fix in the right direction, right? So similarly, today the clues to solve the mystery are never given directly. Okay, so the person solving the mystery has to look for hidden clues and find out what they mean. Okay, so in the same way we have to know the meaning of certain clues to be able to read a map. So see, what consists of component of map? What consists means what are some of the component of map? Okay, so the component of map usually consists of the following point. Point number 1 to 7. Okay, so title, which means what the map is about. Okay, so that is the title. And the compass rose, that is the direction, that is orientation of map. Okay, like I've shown you the direction north, east, west, and south. Okay, and the symbol represent the picture used instead of word, as I've shown you, and the legend or key, okay, which means explain meaning of symbol and color. So they will indicate green color indicate forest, red, okay, blue color indicate water. Okay, those are legend or keywords, key that is used in a map. And what are color? Color means highlight important of different information to help interpret maps. Okay, so those are known as color. And what are scale? Shows the proportion of map to real life, as we have also learned from the meaning. And what are grid reference? Intersecting lines to help locate specific places on the map. Okay, so those are known as grid references. So these are the component of map. So the key symbol used to indicate an object in a map. So these are basically the key symbol which is used in the map. Okay, basic map component. And the legend key shows the meaning of symbol of a map. Okay, so in a map, all these items, the object are indicated. So after looking through this picture, you can easily identify, okay, from the map, okay, which object indicate what. Okay, so if you have seen this symbol on the map which shows construction area, and if you come across this arrow mark, it is showing campus entrance. And if you have seen the picture of telephone, that is phone, it shows pay phone, where you can make a call. Likewise, if you see a star mark in the map, it indicate branch library. So all these are the basic map component. Okay, that is you will see in a map or while reading a map. So the question here is it possible to represent a lot of details like tanks, temples, and post offices on a map showing the whole of India? Why or why not? Okay, which means okay, if you are reading the map of India, okay, as a whole, if you are reading the map of India, okay, if you are reading the map of India as a whole, if you are reading the map of India as a whole, is it possible to represent a lot of details like tanks, temples, and post office on a map showing the whole of India? Okay, the whole of India. Why or why not? The question here is why and why not. Okay, so for that I'm leaving unto you. You can write your answer. Okay, your own understanding, and similarly you can from your own answer. Alright, so the things to do part is your homework. Okay, so your homework for today is you have to complete your practice questions 4, 5, and 6 from your exit content book, and then you also have to complete your worksheet. Okay, sorry, it should be S2. Okay, your worksheet 2. It should be your worksheet 2, not S1. It should be your worksheet 2. Okay, it should be S2. Alright, that's it, class. Thank you all. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.